My dear children, today is Children's Day, a day dedicated to you. This is my message to you all, that wherever you are, remember this, that you are precious, you are loved, you all are so very special to us. Today we are celebrating your day, as you are the people who make our lives worth living. God has created each one of you with unimaginable perfection. You have all those talents and everything that you seek for. Again, you also have the power inside you to help you cope and heal, and to rise and shine again whenever you experience a bad or feel sad about. Above all, you have some loving and caring people who always support you and be with you. That is your parents, your brothers, your sisters, your friends, and we, your teachers too. We all love you and wish for your best. Children, always have that courage to make your dreams come true. But remember, be kind and humble also to the world around you. My dream is to see your dreams come true. And I always long for the day where your achievements will be celebrated by all of us. So make us, your parents, your teachers, your school, and the nation proud in whatever you do. I wish you all a very enjoyable day. May the innocence in your smiles and the purity in your hearts stay forever unfaded. Happy Children's Day.
Good morning, my dear students. First of all, Happy Children's Day to all of you. Every child is a different kind of flower, and all together make this world a beautiful garden. Children, there are no words to describe how special you are to us. I am very much delighted to associate myself with all of you on the occasion of Children's Day today. Children's Day has its own significance. Children's Day is celebrated on 14 November every year to pay respect to our first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was born on 14 November. He was a prominent leader of the Indian independence movement. He served as Prime Minister of India twice. He loved children very much. Children endearingly call him Chacha Nehru, so we are celebrating Children's Day to commemorate his birth anniversary. According to Nehru, the students of today are the citizens of tomorrow. He wanted the children to have the right to be educated, as he thought that the children would become the future of the country. You are the strength of our country. You are the nation builders. No doubt you are the best students today. You will occupy important position in future career. Children's Day is not only for celebrating the work of our first Prime Minister, but also to make the children feel special and loved. Before I conclude, I would like to say one famous quote by Chacha Nehru. The children of today will make the India of tomorrow. The way we bring them up will determine the future of the country. Once again, wish you all a happy Children's Day. Thank you.
इतनी सी खुशी, इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का, ख्वाबों के तिनकों से चल बनाए आशियाँ. इतनी सी हंसी, इतनी सी खुशी, इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का, ख्वाबों के तिनकों से चल बनाए आशियाँ. दबे दबे पाँव से आए हौले हौले जिंदगी, होठों पे कुड़ी चढ़ा के हम ताले लगा के चल गुमसुम तराने चुप के गाए आधी आधी बात ले. महीने का खर्चा चले दबे दबे पाँव से। हाय हौले हौले जिंदगी थोड़ा से टूटी चढ़ा के हम तारे लगा के चल गुमसुम तराने चुप के गाए आधी आधी बात ले। आजा दिल की ये ज़मीन थोड़ा सा तेरा सा होगा थोड़ा मेरा भी होगा अपना ये आशियाँ। इतनी सी हंसी इतनी सी खुशी इतना सा टुकड़ा चांद का ख्वाबों के तिनको से चल बनाए